Saturday afternoon, just doing a bit of work on this guy over here. And yeah, I thought I'd show you guys a little trick. I'm going to be painting these wheels, and just a little trick on how to mask a gap or a sort of hollow area. It's something I learned a little while ago, and I thought it was quite useful, so I thought I'd share it with you. So these are the wheels that we're going to paint, and you can see I've done the perimeter, but how do I get this nice and square? So let me show you how that works. So what you want to do is you take your masking tape, you get a little strip across the middle like that, make sure it's nice and flat on the sides, and then just strip it across. Okay, so once you've got that nicely masked up, you just want to make sure that this is all flat. And then here comes the trick. You take a little hammer, knock it like this. You can see how it's starting to cut away. And now you just break it away. Always pull down. Oh, there we go. That's a little bit of a sticky one. I'm gonna have to just tap it a bit more here. And then, yeah, voila. You got a nice, perfect circle to paint.